Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are looking to build a blazing fast APIs with minimal effort, you have come to right place. In today's tutorial, we are diving into FastAPI, the modern framework that's revolutionizing how we create web applications. Stick around because I'll show you how to set up and validate your data effortlessly while also boosting your app's performance. Let's jump in. So in this video, I will be covering introduction to FastAPI, installation, and building your first FastAPI app. What is asynchronous programming? Why FastAPI is being widely used for LLM and AI-based applications, and data validation and automatic documentation, which is built in for FastAPI. So FastAPI. So let's understand what FastAPI is. FastAPI is a modern, fast, and highly efficient web framework for building APIs with Python. It's designed for performance and ease of use, using standard Python type hints to provide automatic request validations and data parsing. If you're if you have worked with Flask before, think of FastAPI as its asynchronous and performance optimized sibling. So let's try to install it. It's always best practice to use a virtual environment. Let me source it. And then let's try to install FastAPI. We should also install something called UVCon. So UVCon is a asynchronous gateway interface server to handle requests for FastAPI. UVCon. So now we have both FastAPI and UVCon installed. Let's try to build a simple application. So I just created this. So here we are importing FastAPI and then creating an instance of FastAPI with named as app, and then we are actually performing a get route with hello world message. So let's save it. So in order to execute this FastAPI app, we need to use this particular command, which is UVCon main is for main.py, and app is the one we initiated the instance of FastAPI here. That's where we use app here, and I'm on my EC2 machine. So in order to execute on the current machine and be able to access from public endpoint, we need to use this hyphen host and specify the port. And you can also have hyphen reload, so that if you make any changes to main.py, you don't have to implicitly rerun this command again. So I'm executing it. So let's go to Let's open the browser and grab the public IP here, and you see it is able to provide us the get request, which is hello world message, which we have put in our main.py. One of the standout features of FastAPI is it its support for asynchronous programming. Let me explain with the code. Async.py. So here we are using async for this particular definition, and here there is no async without async. So what really happens is, uh, once you execute this particular program, it literally takes like 4 seconds, because the heavy processing is take will take 2 seconds each. And coming to asynchronous endpoint, it actually takes only 2 seconds. Here I have hard coded, but usually as it concurrently executes without waiting for without blocking, it takes only 2 seconds. So let's look at it. Let's execute this, and let's execute the curl command. Yeah, if you see, sync endpoint completed, result 1 processing completed, result 2 processing completed, and time taken is 4 seconds. As we know, for async it should take only 2 seconds. That's how the program is written, but yeah, that's how it works. As we know, FastAPI is gaining popularity in AI and LLM spaces. Why? Because it supports asynchronous operations, which are crucial when handling external API calls or high latency tasks. With fast API's async capability, your app can manage multiple requests simultaneously, a must have feature when dealing with LLMs that often have high response times. Also, as async programming ensures that your apps make best use of available resources, especially in cloud environments. Also, fast API's efficiency translate to faster response times and smoother user experience, making it perfect for real-time applications like AI-driven chatbots. Another important feature of fast API is it has automatic documentation. So let's look at it. So it actually provides Swagger documentation. So once you click on slash docs, it actually automatically provides this Swagger documentation. And also, if you wanted to try it out, you can just click on try it out and then execute. And it is same as what we did during the curl. So this is the curl command, it is executing, and then this is the response, we got it. So it's very simple, but similarly you can try it out for async as well, and you can execute. So this is other very good feature of fast API, where you don't have to bother about a documentation. As soon as you create your API, fast API automatically generates a Swagger UI. You just need to visit slash docs to explore the interactive documentation. This is a huge time saver and makes API testing very easy. So in conclusion, a fast API with its support for async operations, data validation, and automatic documentation is truly revolutionary framework for building APIs. Whether you are creating a simple RESTful service or an AI driven application, FastAPI has covered you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit bell icon. Thank you.